Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about speakers. In particular, Bluetooth speakers. These are made by Ryobi. They're pretty cool. They're powered by the standard Ryobi 1 Plus lithium-ion batteries. I don't know how many of these batteries I've got kicking around because they come with all the tools.
Now you found a spot for them.
Now I've found a spot for them. So Josh, tell me about these wireless speakers.
So they also run on AC as well.
Okay.
So that's really cool. You can run up to 5 speakers. And I've actually been playing around with these. They sound really, really good for this size of a speaker. I was pretty amazed by them. So you need the home run, the head guy, the home base.
Okay.
And then you can put the other 4 speakers off of that.
So looks like you can get them as a starter kit. Comes with 2 speakers, a home speaker and an extension speaker.
Yep. And then you can buy the 3 more after that
individually,
and those are $99 a piece. So it's $199 to get started.
Sure.
And then you can start adding on. And those do not include the batteries, just so you know. But remember, all those extra batteries, now they have a home.
Yeah.
So the other thing, it has FM player on it.
So radio.
It's got Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
It's got the auxiliary on it.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay, you just plug it in the top
plug right in there, yep.
Okay.
And then also it's got the 5 preset stations you can do with the FM. So it's got the ska, which works off of a 150-foot speaker-to-speaker base. So you can spread these out almost to your house from the office.
Close,
I mean, you get there if you could get that 6th one in there. So I want to show you how easy it is to connect these. So I Bluetooth it to my phone, and you can do other devices too. But you just turn it on, you hold the power button on there, and then I go in here, and it's connected already. It hit connect, and then, isn't that nice?
That's cool.
And then check this. Oh, this one's already on, so it must have been on. So you can turn that off, but watch how fast it connects. I mean, it's literally instantly, and every speaker does it, I know. Yeah. And then the best part I love is you can control the volume here, but like when you want to be in control of the volume, see, I can turn it up and down from the phone, so that's a really cool capability too. So.
Very cool. So we've got the Ryobi Score wireless speakers. Starter set's $200. Additional ones are $100. You can get them online and at Home Depot.
Up to 5.
Up to 5.
Up to 5. No batteries.
They don't come with batteries, but they all do come with power adapters.
They come with great sound, and they look awesome.
They are really cool looking.
I know.
Handle, you can hang them up somewhere.
Lightweight, yeah. The AC adapter, so if the battery dies, you can always plug them in. So, I mean, that's, you're not going to, that's cool.
It is very cool.
Yes.
Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love. Let's get those tunes going again, Josh. I want to
right.
pump these up, see how loud they get.